Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.25-inch IPS touchscreen special for BMW 1 Series F20 F21 2011 to 2016, 2 Series F23 2013 to 2016 year. Okay. Here is the UI interface. It's run Android 8.1 Oreo system. Let me introduce. Okay, this UI interface, you have music, navigation, Bluetooth, video, car info, browser, file manage, DVR dashboard, phone link, apps setting. Okay. Very fast response. It's PX5, PX6. Okay, let me introduce. Turn off the screen. Okay, let me disconnect the cable. Okay, you can check 10.25-inch. Okay, back. Okay, you can check 1 series NBT. This connector for power is USB and audio cable. Okay, let me connect. This audio cable will come with the screen. Let me connect. This is special harness for BMW. Let me show the plug. You can check this original plug. Okay. And the other plug okay, there are video back. This RCA type for camera. This is audio out. Okay. This fuse box. Okay. This connect back port. This power port. Okay, connect. This is audio cable. It can support video out, and this USB cable. 2 USB cable will come with head units. You can check this one to USB, and this connector back. Okay, you can check this connected. This power is USB. This audio. Okay. This is AUX AUXY will come with head unit. Okay, this GPS antenna. You can check this GPS antenna and this port, GPS antenna port. Okay, this connect. Please use our GPS antenna. You can check this port. And this. Okay. Let me disconnect. Because I will connect the other cable, test cable for this head unit. Okay. This cable power for test. And connect. Okay, connect. Okay, let me power with pure voltage. Okay, it will turn on the screen. Okay, it will turn on. Okay, it's for Bluetooth. Let me introduce. Let me check the settings. You can check system info. Its Android version is 8.1, Oreo system, RAM 2 GB. Okay, let me check these settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. You can connect Wi-Fi, and system language. You can set the language here. It's built in all languages. Let me check. This model is PX6RK3399. Rack chip. Android version is 8.1. Oreo system. Okay, let me check. Oreo system. Okay. Factory setting, you can put the password 1314. Click OK. Okay, it will show the original settings. All settings you can choose here. Okay, advanced settings, you can check model sets. This UI interface, this built-in 3 UI interface. You can choose BMW NBT, EVO or EVO new, EVO ID6. Okay, boot logo, you can choose it. Car type, you must choose the right car type for your car. Okay. Which select the BMW EVO ID6. When you back the home, it's still this UI. You need to turn off and restart head unit. It will save UI. Okay, let me try. Turn off the radio and turn on. This still this UI. Let me check. We choose this new EVO new UI. Let me try. Turn off, restart. If you have any more questions, please just contact to us. Visit our website Belsee.com. Okay, it's changed this new UI. There have 3 UI. All apps you can check here. It's built in Play Store. You can download and install applications from Play Store. It's built in Google Maps and support is easy connection for mirror link. You can connect Android USB for Android phone, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. It's mirror link. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. I will show the next demo review later. Okay, this part 1. I will review part 2. Okay, thank you.